Data breaches cost businesses billions annually. Yet, many companies underinvest in cybersecurity. Risk management is a critical budget item now. Compliance regulations drive up security spending. Insurers offer policies that mitigate financial risk. Enterprises must balance security with operational efficiency. Cybersecurity dashboards track threats and vulnerabilities. Surveillance cameras monitor physical security, too. Startups brainstorm innovative solutions in secure environments. GPU server racks power advanced threat detection systems. City streets are blanketed with countless surveillance eyes. Understanding these dynamics is key to business survival. As businesses navigate this complex landscape, compliance becomes a key driver. Regulatory requirements shape risk management strategies and budgets accordingly. Enterprise sales teams leverage compliance needs to drive revenue growth. Data center servers hum in the background, storing sensitive information securely. Cybersecurity dashboards monitor threats in real time, alerting teams to potential breaches. Surveillance cameras blanket city streets, a reminder of the physical risks. Individuals tweak their privacy settings, attempting to regain control over personal data. Startup teams frantically whiteboard solutions, racing to address emerging threats. GPU server racks process vast amounts of data, fueling AI-powered security solutions. Insurance companies offer cyber risk policies, mitigating potential financial losses. Risk budgets are allocated, weighing the costs of prevention against potential damages. Compliance, insurance, and risk management intersect, forming a complex economic web. As cybersecurity threats escalate, insurance becomes a vital component. Risk management strategies are developed to mitigate potential damages. Compliance requirements intersect with insurance, forming a complex web. Enterprise sales teams must navigate this intricate landscape effectively. Data center servers house sensitive information, requiring robust security. Surveillance cameras monitor city streets, raising privacy concerns. Individuals adjust their privacy settings to protect personal data. Startup teams whiteboard strategies to stay ahead of cyber threats. GPU server racks process vast amounts of data to detect anomalies. Security operations rooms monitor cybersecurity dashboards constantly. Analyzing risk budgets, companies weigh prevention costs against potential losses. By understanding the hidden economics of cybersecurity, businesses can make informed decisions. Companies are leveraging machine learning to enhance security measures effectively. Artificial intelligence helps detect anomalies in network traffic patterns quickly. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI systems identify potential threats precisely. Machine learning algorithms improve over time, adapting to new attack vectors. Data center servers process vast amounts of information to fuel AI-driven security. Cybersecurity dashboards provide real-time insights into network activity and breaches. Surveillance cameras in cities and buildings represent a growing data source. Individuals using privacy settings on their devices can reduce personal risk factors. Startup teams whiteboard new ideas to tackle emerging cybersecurity challenges daily. GPU server racks power complex computations required for AI-driven security solutions. Enterprise sales teams must navigate complex compliance requirements carefully. Businesses weighing risk budgets must consider the potential benefits of AI-enhanced security. As cybersecurity threats escalate, companies face rising costs. Insurance premiums for cyber risk coverage are increasing rapidly. Compliance requirements drive spending on security infrastructure upgrades. Enterprise sales teams must balance risk budgets with growth goals. Data center servers and cloud storage require robust security measures. AI-enhanced security tools offer promising solutions for threat detection. Startup teams develop innovative approaches to cybersecurity challenges. Surveillance cameras and city street monitoring raise privacy concerns. Individuals using online services must navigate complex privacy settings. GPU server racks process vast amounts of data for security analysis. Risk management strategies involve weighing potential breach costs. Businesses must adapt to the evolving landscape of cybersecurity economics. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.